In this video, I'll be showing you how to use the web browser on your ROG Xbox Ally X. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, once you're on your Xbox application, all you want to do is head on over to your library, which is this third option right here. It's going to show you the installed games that you have, but what you want to do is go to the top where it has all the different sections and just go to My Apps. When you go to My Apps, you're going to see a lot of things that you can download, like Battle.net, Epic Game Store, Steam even, and you're going to see Microsoft Edge also installed. So what you want to do is just click on this. It's going to be pre-installed literally as soon as you get it. Now you can connect a keyboard and mouse if you want, like I have a mouse connected right now, but what you can also do is literally just like use your joystick as well if you want to, or you can use your touchpad as well. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to select web address. Now, as you can see, if you don't have a keyboard connected, what you can do is press the command center button, which is going to show up like this. Scroll down, then just go onto keyboard, and as you can see, it opens up a mini keyboard. Then you can just type in whatever you want to type in. So I'm just going to type in something random like Fortnite, for example, and then after you type it in, all you got to do is literally just press your options button, and then it's going to confirm it. Then you can search it up and do whatever you want. You can even go on YouTube if you wanted to, which is a really neat feature as well. But it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and also check out our other ROG Xbox Ally X videos on the channel.